everyone. Hello. Salam sejahtera. My name is Chef Del from Banjaran and I'm working at Pomelo restaurant. Okay. Today I make the local menu. The menu is Lontong Sayur Lodeh. So I show you what I have. Okay. I have tofu, beancurd, tempeh, carrot, chili, French bean, cabbage, lemongrass, asam kepin, tiger prawn, santan, and suhun, and pucuk. Okay. Okay. So I already blend the shallot, garlic, turmeric root and ginger. So I make blender like this. Okay. Okay, before I start, I soak the pucuk and suhun first. Make the soft. Okay. Then I on the fire. I cook. Put the oil. Okay. Okay, sometimes I will cook the tempeh. Just fried like this. Okay, I put sometimes see the tempeh got crispy, you can pull out. Okay, little bit. Okay, I put lemongrass and asam kepin. I can the tempeh already cooked. So I fried the tofu, beancurd. Okay, now beancurd need to fry. Okay, little bit more. Right, okay. Okay, this one got smiley olive. Okay, already cooked the onion, the one, and then I put water. Okay. After I put water, I put coconut. Okay. I need to cook the coconut. Take steamer. Slowly. Beancurd I use only one piece. Also tempeh. If you want eat more, you can put more lah. Okay, okay, done. This one done. Now I put chili. 1 piece chili. if you want spicy, you can put chili padi. Okay, now I put prawn. Okay, carrot. Okay, I put French bean. And then I put suhun and pucuk. This one cook need time around 10 minutes for the cook the prawn, veggie, and make more flavor. So now I want to season. Little bit salt and sugar. Now ready 10 minutes. Okay, I put the cabbage. I want to cook. Don't want to cook long cabbage because cabbage very fast to cook. So you can get the crunchy one from the cabbage. Okay, put all. The sayur lodeh already cooked. So now I want to present the lontong. Okay. Normally lodeh you eat with the rice cake. Okay. I put rice cake. Okay, now I put beancurd. I make different. Someone can cook together with the beancurd and tempeh. For me, I like tempeh and beancurd get the crispy. So I put last minute like this lah. Someone can eat with the sambal. Okay, normal the sambal you can put on the top. If not spicy, you can put sambal also. Okay. Okay, for garnishing, I like the ginger flower. Got the flavor one. Also, you can eat. And butterfly peas. And in the Malay, we call bunga telah. Okay. Okay, everyone. Today I cook lontong with sayur lodeh. I hope you can try at home. And goodbye. Stay at home.